आर वेरी कॉमन नाउ. सो इसका आंसर है जो चेकिंग अकाउंट, दैट, और इसको आप विच भी लिख सकते हैं, रिक्वायर्स मिनिमम बैलेंस आर वेरी कॉमन नाउ. सो अगैन इसमें भी आप इसको विच से रिप्लेस कर सकते हैं बिकॉज अगैन यू आर रिफरिंग टू अ थिंग. जैसे आप पहले क्वेश्चन में भी आप दैट भी मेंशन कर सकते हैं और विच भी मेंशन कर सकते हैं बिकॉज यू आर जस्ट रिफरिंग नॉट टू एनी ह्यूमन, इट्स जस्ट अबाउट अ थिंग. द क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, टू द प्रोफेसर, यू स्पोक टू द प्रोफेसर यस्टरडे इज नॉट हेयर टुडे. नाउ अब इसको आप कैसे मेंशन करेंगे? द प्रोफेसर टू whom you spoke yesterday is not here today. सो अगैन सिंस आप इसमें जिस प्रोफेसर की बात कर रहे हैं दैट इज़ एट द कॉम्प्लीमेंट पोजिशन, दिस इज़ अगैन आपके पास preposition मौजूद है तो आपने इसको टू से मेंशन किया विद whom बिकॉज यू आर रेफरिंग टू अबाउट अ ह्यूमन and which is at the complement position. So about human at the complement position और इससे पहले preposition मौजूद है तो to whom you spoke yesterday is not here today. Question 4, John, again John's grades are the highest in the school, has received scholarship. अब आप मेंशन करेंगे John whose grades are the highest in the school has received a scholarship. Has received a scholarship. Again next question, Philip bought a camera, the camera has 3 lenses. So इसका relative clause you construct होगा the Philip bought a camera that, और हम इसको which भी लिख सकते हैं, which has 3 lenses. So that's how you made 2 sentences into one connecting with the relative clause. Again this is going to be a thing or that's why हम इसको that या which से refer करेंगे. Question 6, Frank is the man. We are going to nominate Frank for the office of treasurer. Frank is the man. We are going to nominate Frank for the office of treasurer. So the relative clause will be Frank is the man whom we are going to nominate for the office of treasurer. So since आपका जो Frank है is at complement position और आप इसको whom से replace कर रहे हैं, रेफर कर रहे हैं. Question 7 is the doctor is with the patient. The patient's leg was broken in an accident. So the doctor is with the patient whose leg was broken in an accident. Whose leg was broken in an accident. Question 8, Jane is the woman. Jane is going to China next year. So the answer, so the relative clause will be Jane is the woman who is going to China next year. Question 9, Jane wants a typewriter. The typewriter self-corrects. So the relative clause will be Jane wants a typewriter that or which self-corrects. So that or which is referring to the typewriter, which is a thing. Question 10 is this book, I found the book last week, contains some useful information. So to make a relative clause, this book which I found last week contains some useful information. So this word which is referring to this book. Again it's an inanimate, it's a thing, so you can refer, you can आप इसको point कर सकते हैं with the word which. Question 11 is Mr. Bryant's team has lost the game. Looks very sad. So अब आप इसको कैसे mention करेंगे? तो Mr. Bryant whose team has lost game looks very sad. Question 12. James wrote an article. The article indicated that he disliked the president. So इसका relative clause है the James wrote an article that or which indicated that he disliked the president. Since हम यहाँ पे refer कर रहे हैं towards the like or dislike, which is a thing, it's not referring to the president, it is referring to the dislike or like. Question 13, Question 12 here is James wrote an article. The article indicated that he disliked the president. So the relative clause will be James wrote an article that indicated that he disliked the president. Since here हम that or which इसलिए इस्तेमाल करें क्योंकि we are referring actually towards article. We are not referring towards the president. If it was president then हम who या whom mention करते depending कि हम यहाँ पे subject या complement position पर हैं. Since हम यहाँ पे article refer कर रहे हैं which is a thing, तो हम इसको that या which से refer कर सकते हैं. Question 13 is the director of the program. The director graduated from Harvard University, is planning to retire next year. So the director of the program who graduated from Harvard University is planning to retire next year. Since यहाँ पर आपका जो director है, it's at the subject position, that's why हम इसको replace करें with the word who.